What if I tell you that you can use that software engineering brain of yours, tune it in such a way that you can invest into stocks and potentially earn a lot of money? In this video, I will show you how you can use your software engineering brain and potentially create a lot of wealth. So I will show you how I did it and how you can replicate it and make a lot of wealth. So let's get started. Before we get started, I want to say something. I'm not a financial expert and this is not financial advice. Investments are subject to market risk. Invest at your own risk. I don't want you to lose all your money and go broke. So now that we have got that out of the way, I'm gonna dive deep into how you can use your tech skills to identify a company or a stock to invest into. First things first, let's talk about our ability to identify a particular software product which is good or if it is bad. So anyone who's watching this, if you're a software engineer, you know for a fact whenever you're using any software product, it be YouTube, Facebook, or any other product out there, you know for a fact that the product that you're using is either shit or either it is like awesome. The first thing that you need to do is to just make a list of products that you are interested, that you particularly use and that is very beneficial for you. The next thing that you are very good at is actually Googling information. I mean, as a software engineer, I don't think anyone, any kind of species on this earth can actually beat you at Googling stuff or finding out something on the internet. With that being said, now what you need to do, write down all of the stocks that you're interested in, let it be Apple, Facebook, or whatever that you have in mind. I'm not going to name any companies. And then look at the stock price. So look at how they are right now. If they are going down, let's say if there are any bad news or something like that, then you can invest into it. So I'll give an example what happened with me in the year 2022. So I'm going to show you something very interesting. So if you can see my screen, you can see that this is the stock price of Meta, which is Facebook. So in the year of 2022, what happened is that they reported very less revenue because they invested a lot of money in Web3. I know for a fact if you guys were a software engineer in the year of 2021, 22, or yeah, Web3 was everywhere, crypto and everything, that pump and dump stuff were happening a lot of times. So because of that, because of those reasons and many other geopolitical reasons, the stock price went down. They laid off a lot of people in the company. So it was pretty bad for them. And a lot of people were giving up on Facebook. They were selling the stock. They were like, no, this is wrong. But me as a software engineer, I decided that I would invest into it because, see, you know for a fact that since I'm a software engineer, I know how hard it is to replicate Facebook, to replicate or to control the data of billions of people all around the globe, and of course, not to mention the world's best ads engine. So its whole business is around ads, Facebook ads. So it generates a lot of revenue because of it. You cannot beat a system where it automatically suggests you stuff that you think about or speak about using your mic. So yeah, you at that point of time, I was like, I am gonna invest into it, no doubt. So what I did was, I think it was the price around like 120 or something like that, or 130, I don't remember. So I invested into it. Now look at the price, it's around $500. So but I believed in it and I invested into it, and now we can see how good it paid me. So with that being said, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say over here, that if you believe in a company, like how Warren Buffett said,
stocks are safe for the long run and they're very unsafe for tomorrow. Berkshire 3 times since I took over has gone down roughly 50%. Did I feel poor then? No, not at all. I knew it was going to be worth more over time. American business is going to be worth more over time.
This is the kind of insight that as a software engineer, that certain products cannot just go away right now, at least for a decade. So yeah, you can follow what I said and use the same principle in any other company that you see. So for this particular video, I've actually identified one stock that is like it's on the floor and it's doing very bad right now. But I believe in the company, so I'm gonna invest in it. But you do your own research. Do not believe what I said. Do everything what you're saying. All right. So I'm gonna show you a stock which is called Intel. I hope that you guys have heard about this thing. So if you see, the stock price of it is $20 right now, but if I do year, it's down around 56%, which is very unusual of Intel. It's happening because it did not report as many sales as it was supposed to, and there were many layoffs in the company. There are a lot of restructures in the company. So, and apparently AMD is doing well against it. So, there are a lot of things going on, but it's like very bad. Like since the past years, 5 years, it's down 55%, and its all-time high was around 60. So yeah, I believe so. Know for a fact, if any other financial guy is watching this, I know for a fact they'll say that, are you dumb, don't invest in this, this is like really bad, it's going down, it'll be done for good. But see, guys, I am a software engineer. I know for a fact, I know certain things that, let's say, to give an example. So, according to Puget Systems, which I got an article from PCworld.com, I'll put it in the description. Intel has a better failure rate compared to AMD, which means AMD has a higher failure rate. So if you can see the analysis, I'll put it in this description. You can see this particular thing. But what I mean to say is that if you know for a fact that certain tech or certain thing that you know is good, then you don't have to worry about it. If you believe in the company, then don't worry about it. That's it. Khalas. So the point of making this video is to make you aware of the fact that you can use your skills that you have learned as a software engineer and implement it in such a way that you can make a lot of wealth for you and your family. So the point of making this video is to help you make money. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button if you like the video, and dislike if you did not like the video. And comment down below what you thought, what you think about it, and which stock are you going to invest in, and which stock do you think is potentially the best one for the coming future according to you. And yeah, so thank you so much. See you all guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.